How to change your Android hotspot name. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your Android's hotspot name on your Android device. The very first thing you want to do here is go to settings. Once you open up settings, find connections, and from connection settings, you want to go ahead and select mobile hotspot and tethering. Then go to mobile hotspot. To change your name, tap on network name, and you can easily change your name from here. Once that is done, tap on save at the bottom. You can also change your band, whether it's gonna be a 2.4 gigahertz band or 5 gigahertz band. Change your password from here, and once done, tap on save. Now, that's basically it, guys. You've successfully changed your mobile hotspot's name. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.